I was drowning in the silence, broken by the weight of fear. Every road I walked was empty. I thought that you were never near. Night kept whispering it's over. Pain became my closest friend. But right there in my darkest moment, your love found me again. When my faith was weak and trembling, when my strength was almost gone, you held my heart together. You were with me all along. I found you in the storm, Lord, right there in the pouring rain. When my world was falling apart, you were calling out my name. Through the fire and the sorrow, through the tears I couldn't hide, I found hope inside the breaking, because you never left my side. I was searching for the answers, trying hard to understand why the mountains kept on falling, why life slipped out of my hands. But every scar became a story, every wound became a light. Now I see you were preparing me through every sleepless night. You turn ashes into beauty, you turn mourning into praise. Even in the valley shadow, your mercy makes a way. I don't need to fear tomorrow. I surrender all I am, because the God who walked on water is still holding my hand. I found you in the storm, Lord, right there in the pouring rain. When my world was falling apart, you were calling out my name. Through the fire and the sorrow, through the tears I couldn't hide, I found hope inside the breaking, because you never left my side. I found you in the storm, Lord, in the middle of my pain. You restored the broken pieces and washed my soul again. Now my heart will keep believing, no matter what may come, because I met you in my suffering.